is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video for you guys. A video that I have been delaying because I don't know, I wasn't sure about talking about it and all that. But yeah, what happened to two of my bikes, not just one. But if you notice, the M1000 is not here, as well as my rental S1000RR. So both of my BMWs might be gone forever, maybe not, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, let's discuss that. But before we get going, I'm motovlogging and vlogging at the same time, and I'd like to show you guys my setup with the Insta360 ONE RS. This is how easy and minimalistic my setup is. All I need is my beautiful 48 megapixel lens active HDR ONE RS action camera, a mic adapter, a mount, and your actual mic, which is connected inside the helmet. Now let's get to motovlogging.
Alright, we are live. So let's get to the topic of this video. I was actually planning on doing just a garage video, you know, just set up the camera and talk. But I wanted to show you guys how amazing this camera is, because I can use it for motovlogging, can use it for vlogging. The same camera has an interchangeable lens that allows you to shoot 360 as well. It's pretty much a one camera for everything. You can do 360, you can motovlog, you can vlog. And like, what camera this compact can shoot 4K HDR, but also can shoot in 6K? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make a whole video literally shooting in 6K. And it looks like straight out of a movie. Enough talking about the camera, let's talk about the actual video, right? What happened? How did I break my ankle? Where's my bikes? Or where are my bikes? To make it short and easy, I crashed the M1000RR, high-sided the M1000RR, broke my ankle, the bike is messed up. I'm going to show you guys a picture, or if I have a video of it, but pretty much it's at the dealership right now. I am deciding if I want to fix it, or if I want to get rid of it and get another bike. I don't know. Do you guys... Here, let me give you guys some ideas. You guys let me know in the comments what I should do with that bike. Option number one, fix it, but make it look a little bit better. So like, since I have a lot of my fairings damaged, blah blah blah, stuff like that, I can fix that bike and add like a little bit of carbon fiber here and there, you know, just make it look nicer pretty much. Nothing too crazy. So pretty much, instead of just like fixing it back to OEM, get a few upgraded parts and make it look slightly better, or you know, just upgrade it overall. Option number two, a full carbon fiber M1000RR. Now the problem with the full carbon fiber, that was my original plan. Hold on. Wanted to hear the RSV4 Symphony a little bit. Option number two, a full carbon fiber build for the M1000RR. I'm talking like everything I can, even a full carbon fiber gas tank. So like the whole front face, the whole tail, the entire sides, the gas tank, everything that I can get in carbon fiber. I will probably even get carbon frame covers, all that stuff. The problem with that is I saw a black S1000 or M1000, I don't know if it was an S or an M, but pretty much it had the M1000 stickers on it, and it was all black, and honestly it didn't look that great. If you guys remember, the M1000 comes with red, dark blue, and a light blue. The dark blue you can barely see when it's black, and the carbon fiber is pretty much like a dark gray, so pretty much it just doesn't pop like the white does, you know? That's why I'm not very sure about the carbon fiber anymore. Option number three is pretty much get rid of the bike and I don't know, see what other options I have. I can literally either get two bikes, or I can get just one really nice bike, and yeah, we'll go from there. So yeah, some of the bikes that I will possibly like be getting if I get rid of the M1000RR would be as I said, I really like Ducatis and I really enjoy the way they ride. So maybe, since it's pretty much the same price, Panigale V4 SP, the all satin black with the red. I feel like that would be a nice addition, since the V4R that I have is pretty much like a track bike mainly, and I put in a lot of money and work into that bike, so I kind of like, you know, it's like a pretty bike that I don't want to ride all the time, but at the same time I really enjoy riding it. And I know that the V4 SP is going to ride different because it's a complete different engine, but it's still an amazing looking bike, comes with electronic suspension, so it's a better street bike than the V4R pretty much. So that's an option. Possibly even get not one but two bikes if I get rid of that M1000RR, and that would be a Honda Fireblade Triple RSP, as well as, which might be a surprise to a lot of you guys, the KTM RC8R, I believe, the one I rode on the channel. If you guys haven't seen that video, check it out. I actually didn't like riding that bike as much because I was kind of comparing it to like newer bikes, but after a few days I kind of like missed riding it. I would like to have like a raw, different bike, you know what I mean? Put an exhaust on it with a tune, you know, that bike can be fast. And if you guys want to see another video with the KTM RC8R, because I have a friend of mine that has one, but his is like very done up with a lot of parts and tunes and, you know, a lot of upgrades. If you guys want to see that video, like this video please, and I will make that video happen for you guys. So yeah, like, see, I don't know, there's too many options. Do I keep the M1000RR, keep it as OEM looking as possible, just like, you know, upgraded like I was going to, just resume pretry much the plan on what I was doing with it, which is pretty much just put more carbon fiber and pretty parts and exhaust and all that stuff on it. Do I make it a full carbon fiber bike, or do I switch the M1000RR to like either one really nice bike or two bikes that are like slightly cheaper? Or, you know, if you guys have any other suggestions, let me know too. I'm still very undecided what I'm gonna do with that bike. The thing is, because, you know, the bike is gonna have a crash on its record, it's not gonna be worth as much in the future if I decided to sell it. You guys know me, like, I plan to keep most of my bikes as long as possible, like the V4, the H2, and the M1000. I was planning to keep those like forever pretty much, but since the bike has crashed, I don't know, like, I'm indifferent. I can't decide, because like sometimes I'm like, oh, since I already crashed it, whatever, I'll make like the M1000 kind of my daily, or maybe my track bike, and just use it for that. And then I'm like, it's a very expensive bike to make a daily or as a track bike. So I don't know, I literally, like, my brain is all over. So I would like you guys to help me out, choose what you guys want to see. Do you want the M1000 to stay on the channel? Do you want a carbon fiber build on that bike? Or do you guys want different bikes on the channel? Alright, and now to get back to you guys, the S1000RR also is totaled. That bike is completely gone. I'm gonna post videos, pictures of what that bike, pretty much a renter that rented it out, dropped it at a canyon, and yeah, that bike is completely destroyed. The frame is damaged, the headlights, pretty much there's too much damage to repair for that bike. So it's just like, there's no fixing it. The bike, like, as soon as the dealership and the insurance saw it, they said that it was totaled, it was done. Plans for that bike is probably get another one for the rental business, maybe get something a little different. Like, it's still very undecided. We do want to kind of like go broader. I was planning to get like a Monster, a Hypermotard, a V2, maybe a V4, all of those obviously for the rental business. But yeah, the S1000RR is gone, sadly. We didn't get to see it as much with the nice fairings and all that. That bike is no longer going to be on the channel, that is for sure. It's pretty much done. Sadly, I have a lot of like nice parts on it that are gone too. We didn't enjoy them as much, but you know, that's part of the business. We kind of like had it expected and all that. So it happens, but it's just sad that I lost 2 of my bikes, both of my BMWs, in such a short period of time. These are the updates that I have for you guys. Help me decide what you guys want to see and do with the channel. And also, I'd like to remind you guys that I am filming on the Insta360 One RS. Insta360 is having an amazing sale starting today for a whole week pretty much, and you can get $30 off this camera, 10% off their accessories, besides the fact that if you click the link down in the description down below and use my code, you're actually going to get a bunch of accessories for completely free. So, I mean, if you want to start motovlogging or vlogging or get some 360 footage, literally all 3 of those can be done if you just buy the Insta360 One RS. And if you guys want to do 360, get the Twin Edition, which comes with an extra camera, which allows you to, well, an extra lens technically, not a whole camera, which allows you to film 360 footage. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out and ride safe.